Welcome to our exploration of Hosea chapters 10 to 14. Get ready to dive into these profound chapters where every verse is a doorway into understanding the heart of God and his relationship with his people. In Hosea 10, we see Israel compared to a lush but misguided vine, symbolizing their unfaithfulness. Hosea 10:12 encourages them to sow righteousness and break up your fallow ground, calling for repentance and transformation.
Jump to chapter 11, where God's tenderness towards Israel is vividly described. Despite their rebellion, God's love is persistent. Verse 118 illustrates his internal conflict. How can I give you up, Ephraim? It's an emotional plea showing God's reluctance to abandon his people.
Chapter 12 revisits Israel's historical betrayals, yet it emphasizes the importance of returning to God. Verse 12:6 implores the people to return to your God, maintain love and justice. The theme here is clear. Acknowledging past mistakes isn't enough. Change is essential. In chapter 13, God's judgment looms as Israel's sins mount. The image of God as a protective yet disciplinary father continues. Yet, hope glimmers through in 13:14, where God questions death. I will deliver this people from the power of the grave. I will redeem them from death. This foreshadows hope and redemption beyond judgment.
Finally, chapter 14 presents a beautiful call to repentance, promising healing and restoration. Hosea 14 verse 4 assures, I will heal their waywardness and love them freely, emphasizing God's readiness to restore those who turn back to him. The chapter ends with a profound truth. The wise understand these things, and the discerning know them, highlighting the importance of wisdom and spiritual understanding. In these chapters, the central theme is clear. While judgment is real, God's love and mercy are always within reach for those who turn back to him. The roller coaster of justice and love portrayed here beckons us to reflect on our own lives and choices. Stay with us as we unravel these timeless truths in more detail.